Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Make sure you click subscribe, click the bell, get all the updates. Thanks again. You are. That's a Twin Otter?
Yes.
Nice. Another E-flite fave. Pretty scale.
Except for that.
It's quick.
Nice little nose heavy.
Better nose heavy than tail heavy. At least you can manage that. Yeah, that's flying much better. I can tell. Looks good. She's scooting. Like I said, man, the E-flite airplanes, they just seem to land really good.
Let's see if I can make it look easy like you did.
Let's see here. Anybody can do it when the airplanes fly good. Especially since the CG's right. Look at that. Perfect. Nice. Perfect, perfect. And there you have it, the E-flite Twin Otter. Flies good, looks good. Small airplane that flies like a big airplane.